Are you ready to unlock the secrets to making money with cryptocurrency? Most people think crypto is just buying low and selling high, but there are multiple ways to generate passive income with crypto. You can make money while you sleep with cryptocurrency. I'll show you proven strategies to unlock crypto wealth. We'll explore methods to make money with crypto, from staking and lending to mining and investing. So buckle up for an exciting journey into the world of cryptocurrency. Staking is one of the easiest and most popular ways to earn passive income with your crypto. When you stake your crypto, you're holding it in a wallet to support a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards in the form of more cryptocurrency. Returns vary depending on the cryptocurrency, amount staked, and platform. But remember, staking comes with its own set of risks. Let's talk about generating passive income with crypto lending. Platforms like Aave and Compound let you lend out your crypto and earn interest. It's like being your own bank. Crypto loan interest rates can be much higher than traditional savings accounts. Understand the platform's terms, borrowers' creditworthiness, and smart contract risks. Let's dive into the world of crypto mining. It gets technical, but I'll break it down for you. Crypto mining verifies and adds transactions to the blockchain. Miners solve complex problems and earn cryptocurrency. Research costs, mining difficulty, and profitability before starting. Let's talk about crypto investing for the long haul. Like the stock market, crypto investing involves buying and holding for an extended period, aiming to sell at a higher price. The key is to research, identify promising projects, and have a long-term perspective. Patience is key in the crypto market. For those of you looking for active trading strategies, crypto trading might be for you. It involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies over shorter time frames, aiming to profit from price fluctuations. Two main types are day trading and swing trading. Before you start, understand technical analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. Let's explore the exciting world of crypto yield farming, also known as liquidity mining. Earn passive income by providing liquidity to DeFi protocols. In return, you earn trading fees, interest, or governance tokens. Chapter 7. Crypto rewards cards. Earn crypto while you spend. Did you know you can earn crypto while you spend? With crypto rewards cards, earn cryptocurrency on everyday purchases. These cards work like traditional credit cards, but instead of cashback or points, you earn cryptocurrency rewards. Chapter 8. Crypto dividends. Get paid to hold. Some cryptocurrencies pay dividends to holders, just like stocks. These dividends are usually paid in additional cryptocurrency, rewarding long-term investors. Chapter 9. Play to earn games. The future of gaming. Earn cryptocurrency and NFTs by playing your favorite games. Play-to-earn games are revolutionizing the industry, monetizing gamers' skills and time. Chapter 10. Crypto affiliate programs. Earn passive income by sharing what you love. Partner with cryptocurrency companies and promote their products to your audience. Earn a commission when someone signs up or makes a purchase through your referral link. Chapter 11. Initial coin offerings, or ICOs. High risk, high reward. ICOs allow new cryptocurrency projects to raise capital by selling tokens to early investors. Before investing, research the project, team, white paper, and tokenomics. Outro. Unlock your crypto potential. Congratulations, you've unlocked the secrets to making money with cryptocurrency. From staking and lending to mining and investing, there are countless opportunities to grow your wealth in crypto. Remember to do your research, start small, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.